Hey YouTube, I want to show you how to transfer video files by Wi-Fi from a cheap action camera and upload these video files to a social network such as Facebook. The camera I will use is this Goldfox F60 from AliExpress. Yeah, uploading video files to other social networks such as Reddit, ImageYour, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on is also possible. So let's prepare our smartphone, install these apps, Facebook, SportLook, and if you want ImageYour, or you can use another one like Reddit or another social network. But in this video, we mostly will use Facebook and ImageYour social networks. Okay, so get the action camera, power it on, and insert an SD card that has video and photo files. Browse the list of files to get an idea of what is available. These files were already created by the camera. So this generic camera is the one I'm going to use. It's like $27 United States from AliExpress. I'm just showing you the top, bottom, front, and sides and back. Power it on from the front. The lights will blink, the screen will come on, and put an SD card in it that has the appropriate videos that this camera can play. So you push the mode button in the front to cycle through the modes, and this is the view mode to view and play photos and videos. Yes, everything in this video is blurry. I mean, the camera I'm using is an action camera to record another action camera, so the footage is blurry. Just bear with me and go with the words and go with the instructions. You'll be able to get it, okay? So we're looking at some videos. Just making sure and verifying that these videos are working in the camera. Alright, stop browsing, return to the standard mode screen, and start Wi-Fi on the camera by pressing the up button on the side. Other cameras may be different. On this camera, the up button works. On other cameras, try another button or consult the manual of that camera. The up button will activate Wi-Fi. There is a SSID Wi-Fi name and a password here. So after Wi-Fi has started on the camera, you may see a screen showing the camera SSID name and a password, for example STV0790 and 123456. Other cameras may be different. Type these things into your phone to connect. So now get your smartphone, start Wi-Fi, connect to the camera, and open the SportLook app. This app is for camera control by Wi-Fi. You may need to stop or disable mobile data and open the SportLook app more than once. What I mean is, disable mobile data once, but open SportLook app more than once, maybe. Look for the camera name STV0790 or whatever the camera name is. In this example, it's this, and it's already connected. The password is already entered. You will need to enter a password, most likely 123456 or another password. So open SportLook a second time if you need to. Make sure that the video preview in the phone works, as you see here. Alright, once SmartLook app is connected and working, press the Media Gallery button at bottom and press the SportLook button at top to see a list of photos and videos on the camera, but not the phone. Similar steps and buttons can be used for other cameras. Please consult the manual for that. Here is a list of videos. Alright, use the SmartLook app to preview a video or photo and then download several of them to your phone. It may be a bit slow. 100 megabytes of data takes 1 minute or longer to finish transferring. Similar steps and buttons can be used for other cameras. You can select any of the videos to preview and just wait 10 seconds or 20 seconds to see some of the video play. This is coming straight from the action camera by Wi-Fi. And then just check it and make sure it works, then push pause and then push back. And now we want to use download, so press the download button and then select one or more videos together. Then press confirm at the bottom. And this video is sped up 2x times. If you want to, you can skip forward. Okay, we're going to choose download again and choose 2 more videos or 3 more videos. Choose confirm, and again right now this video footage is sped up 2x times. You can skip forward if you want to. Okay, now I will choose some photos to download. All photos, really. Now open the Gallery app or another app to show videos and photos available on the phone, not the action camera. This is a way to verify that the videos, photos have transferred from the camera to your phone. So the video top, right, left, and right are all good. They were downloaded from the camera. Let's do these steps now. Disable Wi-Fi on the smartphone, enable mobile data on the smartphone if you need it, power off the action camera and put that aside, and open a social media app such as Facebook. Now let's upload and share a video or photo to the world in social media such as Facebook. In this example, the upload is going into the famous Eken H9 users group, even though I'm not using an Eken camera. You could also upload the video photo to your profile page or to another page in Facebook. Note that any photos can upload, but videos 60 seconds and shorter will work best. The longer videos may not work, or they just take a really long time to upload. So select a video that you had downloaded from the action camera, one of those 4 videos, for example. This one is funny, so I like this one. You can preview the videos to see what is playing, to see what is in the video. Write a message, write hashtags, write whatever you want, put emojis, put icons, whatever you want, and then post it at the top, POST at the top, and then wait for it. So this is going to take some time. You can skip forward if you want to. And so we see that the video has been posted to Facebook and it's working. Should be available to everyone in that group or everyone who has access to the page that you posted the video to. I'm just browsing around to see what other videos are there. So uploading a video to Facebook is finished now, and let's upload a video to another social networking site, ImageUR. Enable audio sound on your video upload before you submit the post. After uploading the video, get and share the link from ImageUR to Facebook, or put the link in email or in any other website or system. After opening the ImageUR app, sign into ImageUR by using your Facebook account. At the bottom of this app there is a camera icon, but we're not going to take a picture. The camera icon, maybe it's a folder icon, is going to let you view your gallery. The 4 videos are there that we had downloaded from the action camera, plus the 3 other photos. In this example, let's choose a video. So you want to write a title at the top, a description in the middle, and a tag at the bottom. Those 3 things are usually very good, very nice to put. You may not need all of them. Also, as you see, I pushed the speaker icon in the top right of the video frame to enable audio sound. So here you see I'm writing, and then post at the top. Okay, you're going to dismiss this message. Show the ImageUR video that you last uploaded on the smartphone screen again. Now press the Burger Kebab share button at the bottom and select the copy to clipboard option. After that, close ImageUR and open Facebook. Share the link in Facebook. You could share this link to another system such as WhatsApp, Reddit, Line, etc. again and again, because the link is always there for you to share, always. Alright, so open Facebook. Write a message. use the paste function of your phone to paste the text, which is the link, paste the link to Facebook, and the little preview thing at the bottom with the title should show up. And if that's good, then press post. Then you can press on the link or the video frame, and then the either browser or the ImageUR app will open to let you view the video you had uploaded to ImageUR. And again, that link is usable over and over, unlimitedly. You can use it again as much as you want. Alright, so this is basically the end of the video. If your video is too long in seconds or minutes, or too big in megabytes of data size, then you could use a video trimmer or video editor on your smartphone to reduce the length or size of your video. See the description box below for more information and links to useful things. Thanks for watching.